Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where your oil pressure switch is located and how to replace it on a BMW, guys. We'll demonstrate. Okay, we're going to explain about 7 Series BMW because many of you asked in the comment section below where you find the oil pressure switch. Now, you may have a few different engines, guys. In the US, mostly you have 2 engines, V8s usually, guys. But if you're in Europe, you have a 6-cylinder N52 engine, or you can guys have actually even diesel engines as well. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder engine, but it will be very close for other engines as well, so make sure you stay with us until the end. Now, before we start, guys, if you need to buy new oil pressure sensor, new parts, tools, anything that you need special to remove it, we'll have the links listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, this is, guys, N52 6-cylinder gasoline engine, 3.0 liter engine that we'll be demonstrating on. So let us show you guys, okay, what we have here. If you have a different engine, we'll explain what you need to look for. So step number 1, guys, you need to find your oil filter housing, guys. That's where your oil filter will be located. On most engines it's on top, some engines it's underneath the car. But on the oil filter housing, guys, okay, you're going to find the oil pressure sensor switch. For instance, we have 2 sensors here. Okay, check it out. How you know which one is which, guys? Okay, if you look, okay, one of them will be for the coolant. Okay, and some models may have an oil cooler next to the oil filter housing, so the sensor might be there as well, but most of the times the sensor will be right here on the cylinder head. The sensor that we need will be the one that's part of the oil filter housing, where your oil filter goes, and if you pay more attention, it's this sensor right here. So how you guys remove it? Okay, pretty simple. In our case, all we have to do, just leave the engine cover out of the bushings, pull it a little bit to the side. Next step will be to disconnect the sensor. Simply press in here, guys, and pull it out. You can see how it releases. This sensor tells, okay, tells the dash pretty much, okay, that we have enough, okay, enough oil pressure to turn the engine oil light off, guys. Now there is a special tool. It's a 24mm tool, guys, that you can use to remove that. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. But ours, we lost it, guys. Ordered a new one today, and we'll just use a 24mm wrench, adjustable wrench, and get it out. But I would recommend to use the special tool so you can avoid damaging anything else in the way. So you just unscrew it, guys. Now you have to make sure that the whole ring, okay, let me turn my light on because, okay, it's the battery is dying. Excuse me, not O-ring, the washer right here stays on the sensor, because sometimes it will be stuck to the housing. Okay, you can see, and make sure the new sensor comes with one. We'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get new sensor from. Make sure that this washer is not stuck here, because if it is, you have to remove it when you install the new one. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.